Hello guys, this is your healthy lifestyle coach, Sports Complex. We introduce a crunchy exercise series. You can improve your abdominal muscle strength with variety crunchy exercises. Practice the proper movement with this video and use it for your training. Twist crunch with your hand on your head. Lie on the floor and flex your knees about 90 degrees to put your feet on the floor. Bend your right elbow and place your right hand behind your head. Put your left hand on the floor next to your hip. Pull your navel to down your low back to the floor. Lift your upper body halfway to the left and maintain the position for 2 seconds with exhalation. Slowly come back to the starting position with inhalation. Be careful not to lift your low back from the floor during the exercise. Do as much reps as the given repetitions or during the given time and repeat opposite side in the same way.